To make delicious roasted eggplant salad, you will need an eggplant, red bell pepper, tomatoes, onions, garlic, cilantro, and seasonings. Place the vegetables on a baking sheet, sprinkle with vegetable oil and salt. Place them in the oven for broil on high temperature for about 25 minutes. Turn them over every 5 minutes. So 25 minutes later, your vegetables are soft and ready. Take them out and let them cool down. While your vegetables are cooling down, we will chop the onion, garlic, and cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can use any of your favorite greens. Peel the vegetables. The skin should come out pretty easy. And chop them with the knife. This salad could be a great addition to any meat dish, fish dish. If you plan barbecue, you can grill the vegetables instead of broiling them. Place all chopped vegetables in a bowl and mix them. Add prepared onions, garlic, cilantro, and season it to your taste with salt, black pepper, and olive oil. Mix it well, and you can enjoy the salad right away, or you can pack it and leave it in the refrigerator for your everyday dinner. Thank you for visiting Katya's Kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes.